Good morning, guys, and hello, welcome back to the vlog. This morning I didn't really get up to anything interesting. I just got ready to go for a walk with Elsa and Elsa. As you can see, I got changed just that quickly. That was not a cut or an edit. That is how quickly I changed. I'm obviously kidding, but I took the dog for a walk, which was lovely because it's finally summer in Canada, or at least it's close to being summer. It's 25 degrees as I am recording this voiceover right now, which is a drastic change from the once negative 20 degrees it was a few months ago. There is not a snowflake in sight, but guys, please knock on any wood you have nearby because Canada is notorious for having snow late May, and I'm really hoping it doesn't get snowy late May because look at how gorgeous the water is. It was so calm this morning. I don't think I've ever even seen the water this calm. It was so quiet and beautiful. The water was even a little bit warm. Her little paws got in. She tried to rub her face thing off because it's so itchy on her snout. But if we don't have that little face thing on, she will literally pull me in the water, or she'll eat everything in sight and probably get sick. So this is for her benefit, and that's again her trying to get it off. But we just took a nice long romantic walk along the beach. She knocked the camera over, and look at those ears. She was so happy, as was I. We went to the post office, picked up some PR, and then I had classes pretty much straight away, and it was really exciting that the flowers were out as well. And this little gazebo in our town is so cute. Also, the poor thing knocked her head into the window. I don't think she saw that there was a door there, the poor thing. But we played outside after because apparently a walk wasn't enough to expire her energy, so we ran a bunch. I throw like a wimp. Guys, I'm watching this. Look at that. What is that throw? Guys, I didn't play sports obviously, but she obviously does. Look at her. She's so athletic. Anyways, it was kind of nice to have a chill morning. I find a lot of the times when I have classes in the morning, I don't have a lot of time to get ready, go for a walk with Elsa. So not having classes in the morning allow me to do so. And yeah, I got to actually cathart a little bit. If you guys were on my last vlog, you know I love that word. Even though it's not the proper use of the word, it's cathartic. But Steve makes fun of me for using that word, so I'm going to use it. You know what? I'm just going to use it. I've been using SPF 30 or 15 on my face every single day because I'm trying to go outside every single day since it's so gorgeous out. And then here I'm just formatting my backbends class for FlexSpace Studios. If you guys didn't know, I teach at FlexSpace Studios in Toronto online, and this is a preview of the kind of stuff we get to do. So go check them out in my description down below.
I just finished 2 hours of classes, so I'm gonna go have lunch. I'm very hungry. I also didn't do an intro. Hello, my name is Jasmine McDonald. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, I post ballet and fitness related videos every single Tuesday, Thursday, and now Sunday. And if you're new here, you may as well hit subscribe because you're already here anyways. This morning, I already went for a walk with Elsa to the post office, so I have some PR I'm going to open and do a few TikToks later for. I'm also going to have to film some or take some photos for another brand that I'm working with. And then I have classes from 5 o'clock until 8 tonight. It is summer in Canada, which is so nice because sorry, my brain's like frazzled because I need carbohydrates right now after class. It is summer in Canada, finally, and the vibes are just so much better now. Winter stinks, let's just face it. So over winter. This weekend, I got to see my best friend and meet her little baby, which was so sweet. And also this weekend, I got monetized. So if you guys follow me and are subscribed to me, you saw my recent video on Tuesday of this week that was posted that I announced that I was finally monetized on YouTube. And I cannot believe it. It took me a year to get monetized. Well, a year and 3 months technically, but I started taking YouTube seriously like May of 2021. So it's been about a year since I posted consistently, and that's just wild. So I'm very fortunate, and I feel very lucky for you guys. So thank you all to you guys who support me and watch my videos and share them and comment and like them because that helps me. And now I can finally say that one of my passions could potentially be my job, like my dream job, which is crazy. I already live my dream life, I feel like. I'm gonna go have lunch now, and I'm gonna go see how Steven's doing because I haven't seen him in a while. So I'm gonna go see him and then catch you guys after and probably show you guys what I'm filming and my PR because I'm very excited. It's a little stuffy. It's so cute.
I'm really sad to say this because I think I need new pointe shoes, and honestly, I don't like getting new shoes. I don't like to sew them. You guys were probably with me when I did my live a few months ago and sewed these pointe shoes, and Gainer Minden pointe shoes are impossible to sew. I need to put one of those thimbles on my thumb because I keep pricking myself so many times. So that's the first reason I don't like new shoes. Second reason, breaking in isn't an option with Gainer Mindens, but second reason is the affordability. They're very expensive. That's the reason I love my Gainer Mindens. They do last for quite a considerable amount of time. However, the shoes that I have in this clip are beyond their lifespan. This is the yellow color in the Gainer Mindens, and I typically wear the green with the 5 box, and I believe these are the 5 box with the yellow, which they're definitely too soft for my feet. So I could tell that I needed new shoes in this because I kept falling over. I couldn't find my balance. So I was just doing the very easy things in pointe work, just doing 1 foot of releves from 2 feet, échappés, susus. I did try pirouette after, and oh my gosh, I almost fell on my butt here. But yeah.
Finished a little mini pointe class. I'm gonna unbox this little thing. I got some PR in the mail today, so let's see what it is. Okay guys, so I just filmed a couple of TikToks, which I'll put on the side here, but I thought I would unbox this package I got from Miwai, and it's a little plushie, and by little I mean it's ginormous, so let's unbox it. Oh my gosh, I love how it's like squished. Look at that, guys. Oh my goodness, and I'm sure when I open it, it's just going to get like all big and puffy and fluffy. I'm so excited. So I feel like when I open the bag, how cute is that? Oh, it's getting even puffier. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. And it has a name tag as well. It says Summer. Summer is a cute axolotl who likes rain and rainbow. She is always called Hexagon Dinosaur by kids, and she dislikes it. Different corn colors show her mood. Blue, red, purple represent thinking, excitement, and shyness respectively. All 3 out simultaneously show her strong love for you. That's so cute. She's so cozy. She's like a little pillow. So I'm just sitting in bed right now. I'm actually editing some music for recital. I'm really bad at it, so wish me luck. 15 minutes before my next few classes, and I work from 5 until 8, and then I don't know what Steve and I are doing for dinner.
As I mentioned before, the kiddos are getting ready for recital, so this is me doing the recital dance a little bit and making sure that I have the right cuts in the music. And then I went straight to an online private with a little 7-year-old student, and this is why my voice is so high-pitched, because they're young and I'm trying to be inspiring. I have the little squish in front, and I'm trying to be encouraging and have them enjoy the class rather than just be like, go, 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 lift your leg and stretch your knees, you know? Obviously still implement technique, but I want it to be enjoyable for kids. They're kids anyways.
Just did a quick little outfit change. I could not bear to be in my dance clothes any longer. I just finished teaching my last class. It's about 8 o'clock right now. We're gonna go make dinner. This dress is from Mango, and it's one of those ones you can tie all sorts of different kind of ways. So I like to tie it across like this and around the neck. And yeah, I love this dress. I've had it since I was like 18, and it's really comfortable and stretchy. Perfect for dinner, and I am hungry right now, so we're gonna go make that. We don't have a lot of groceries right now. I don't know what we're gonna make, but you know, that's just realistic. Let's go make some food.
This breakfast was so good and hearty and healthy, and I love this dose juice. I do have a discount code for 15% off your dose juice order, so definitely check that out. I will put a link in the description box down below.
That was a sassy look.
All right, good morning, guys. It is Wednesday, May the 11th, I'm guessing? I have no idea. I'm just guessing it's the 11th. I have a class at 9 this morning, and it is 10 minutes until my class. I'm gonna do a quick face of makeup, gonna get ready for class, put on my ballet shoes. And this top is from Lululemon, and this skirt is from Aerie. You guys have seen me do a try on haul with a lot of these, and I'll put that in the link in description down below. Usually I have a class at noon, but I don't today, so I have a little bit more free time until 3 o'clock, and then I have a class from 3 until 4, and then I have a class from, I think, 5 until 6, and then I'm in town from 7 till 8, and then I'm back home a little bit early tonight, so I think I'll go to the grocery store before I teach
later on in the afternoon. Last night I finished at 8 and we just watched Friends. I had some pasta that I made with the rest of the pasta sauce that I didn't use up the day before. Steve had some meatball, and yeah, it's been kind of boring few days, but I was actually sick on the weekend, so I'm just getting over that. I didn't mention that earlier, but I was sick on the weekend, so I didn't want to work out a ton because I felt like exhausted, like my body needed rest. So I just did that point class that you guys saw earlier, and I feel like that helped keep me like in ballet, like my feet especially in ballet shape, because I find the longer I put off wearing point shoes, the harder it is to get back into point shoes. And that's something I want to talk about today. The struggle of staying in ballet shape. I always get these questions. People are like, well, how do you stay in shape? And honestly, I don't do anything apart from give my body rest. And then the week leading up to when I go back to like being in the theater, or if I'm teaching, or if I know I'm going to be dancing a lot, I prepare myself with Pilates, conditioning. I don't dance. I start dancing when I have to. That being said, I will do like little bars here and there, but I will not do a full class because your body needs time to rest. That's the thing. A lot of dancers forget that and just keep going and don't stop, but that's how you get stress fractures. That's how you get run down. And I used to never give my body a break, even when it was like my off season and I go home. So I'm trying to concentrate my eyeliner. Even when it was off season and I go home, I go straight to the gym and then I do class right after at the local studio and try to get in all my dancing that I possibly could, because I was nervous that if I took more time off, it would be harder to get back. And although that's the case, you need time to rest, because learn it from me, kids. I got 3 stress fractures. And if I were to do it again, like do my career again, I would have given my body ample time to rest, like actual time to rest, not just a couple of days and then go straight to the gym or whatever. Yeah, I definitely didn't have the healthiest relationship with the gym when I was younger. And I still don't have a gym membership right now, even though the gyms are open, because we have like our home gym. And my job is working out. That's the other thing. When I was a dancer, I never really thought of my job as working out. I thought of it as separate. And that's another reason I never gave my body rest, because I was like, well, even though like I'm moving a lot in my job, I still need to condition my body for cardio. So I'd literally do my dancing and then go to the gym and do like an hour of cardio and call it a day, when I really needed strength training. And I'm not saying weightlifting, even though a lot of dancers do that and it helps them, but I should have been conditioning my body, doing a lot of Pilates, a lot of exercises for my core, because I was not the strongest. I was not the strongest at all. So that's a piece of advice from an older retired ballerina. You know, just because somebody says, well, when you come back from your vacation, you know, we're going to start shows immediately, because that's what I was always nervous about, that we'd start shows and I wouldn't be like conditioned. Like I'd get into hair, makeup, costume and feel like, oh my gosh, I can't lift my leg, or I'd feel I haven't danced in 2 years, even though it's only been a week. Conditioning helps a lot. Like I've noticed since doing my flex space classes, I actually feel stronger now, and I can actually hold my leg and do a plie releve. Like I took a TikTok the other day. I didn't think I could do this, but I did a développé to Elsa and then did a plie releve on that one foot, and I could not do that as a professional dancer who was dancing every day, because I was exhausting my body of its strength and capabilities just running and going on the treadmill and biking and not actually strengthening it. Because dancing, if you think about it, you get a lot of cardio in, and I'm not saying don't do cardio in your off time or whatever, and I'm not saying this is exactly what you have to do, but what you do have to do is give your body time to rest. That's going to be way more valuable than pushing yourself past the brink of exhaustion, because that's what I used to do. That being said, I don't know if that little rant made sense. Comment down below if you guys agree, or if you disagree. I know a lot of people tend not to take a break, and then me, it led to injury. I don't have the strongest facility. Like I was never a strong dancer, you know what I mean? Now I feel like I'm stronger than ever. Like I said, I can do plie releve on one leg with my leg up here. I can do fouettes again, and I couldn't do that when I was a professional dancer. So take with that what you will. I'm gonna go to class, and yeah, I'm pretty much ready. I'm gonna put some earrings in for my jewelry. These ones, they're like the gold 18 karat for meal ones, and I really like them. I think they're a good staple piece. And I need to wash my hair too, so I think I'll go to the grocery store and then come back home and wash my hair, because I'll probably take Elsa on a walk. I haven't washed my hair since Sunday, and I'm trying the thing where you don't wash it. I was about to say shower, where you don't wash it for a few days. Random tidbit. Let's go to class. Hi, how are you doing today? Good, good. Both feet in first position. We'll go 5, 6, preparation 7, and 8. Demi-plie, arm through bras bas, and up to first again. Let's do it again. Demi and stretch, demi arm through bras bas, and stretch. Up, tendu, 2 seconds. Same thing, demi arm in first, stretch, demi arm through bras bas, and stretch. Demi arm to first,
and stretch.
Since I was away on the weekend, I didn't really get a chance to catch up on my admin work for my own personal business, my online dance studio, LWL Dance Tutoring. So this is me taking about 30 minutes to do that. And oh my goodness, the little squish is so cozy to cuddle up with when you're doing emails and stuff like that.
I always do this with the black shirts. I always put the deodorant on after and make it all messy, but that's okay. I forgot my Dove spray once by Deborah Stevens. We're gonna go on a walk after lunch, so I'll probably take you guys with me there. But I think I'll do my outro right now and say thanks for watching. I hope you have a great rest of your day. Stay safe. And, excuse me, bye now. Wanna say bye now? Bye. She says bye now. Bye.
So on a very rare occurrence, me and Steve's lunch hours lined up, so we took Elsa on a walk down by the water and around the neighborhood, and it was so beautiful. It was about 26 degrees. We got to see these little geese and their little ducklings or babies, or what are they called? They're called goslings. That's what they're called, like Ryan Gosling. And we enjoyed the sun, enjoyed our time together. It was really, really nice to end the morning like this. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments down below what you want to see next. As always, it's such a pleasure to hang out with you guys. Have a great rest of your day. Stay safe and bye now.